Good afternoon and welcome to our next computing lesson. So we're going to look a little bit more into search engines today. I'll talk a little bit more about your courses that you've been on, and then we'll look at something else at the end. Okay, so I want to delve into search engines a little bit more. So what I'd like you to do is go to this link, which will be in the activity that's been assigned to you on Teams as well. Follow this link. There's a short bit of text to read, but there's a video there that tells you how search engines work. I want you to watch that, and then just a short task. I want you to write your 3 top tips for using a search engine. So if you wanted to find out some information, what sort of tips could you give someone to find them? So 3 top tips for using a search engine. You might design a poster if you want to. It can be as simple as just writing a list of 3 top tips. Okay, so you should have started a course recently using this website, or you might have just continued to learn lots of things on Hour of Code. So what I'd like you to do is to continue with that. I don't think I'll set you something else, because then it won't give you any time to continue with the course that you have chosen to build up your coding skills. The idea is that you build on it week by week and improve your skills and learn how to do lots of different things. So if you carry on with that and just let us know how it's going, maybe you could take a screenshot of some of the things you've been doing with that. That would be brilliant. And then the final thing I'd like you to do is just watching a short video on YouTube, which once again the link will be in the activity. And this is a video which might help you answer the question, what's the point? So you might be thinking, why am I learning how to code and what's the point in it? And am I ever going to be able to use it? Does anyone ever use coding? But coding is used in so many things, which we have discussed in the past, some of the many applications of computer coding. But I thought I'd share with you a link from, I think it's called NASA EKids. It's basically their YouTube channel that looks at computing and mathematics and how it can be applied in the real world. And it's got loads of really interesting videos on there, from quite basic ones to quite complicated ones, on how they achieve different things in space. And this video in particular talks through how using computer simulations, so computer programming, can help us to put a helicopter on Mars. So they're trying to achieve that. They talk to some of the scientists involved in that and how they're using their computer coding and their mathematics skills to achieve that goal. So that's some really cool science that they're aiming to do with their coding skills. So that's all for today's lesson. Carry on with your course, write your 3 top tips and watch that video. Thank you very much for all of your hard work.